finished very well. You can see the pin tucks here. The styling is very good. Beautiful drawstring kind of band around the neck. Beautiful piping in black, self piping in black. Lovely pin tucks on the right hand side. Beautiful wooden buttons. String fastener on top. With the piping, self piping in pink. Very stylishly cut neckline. Black polka dots on a red flap with lovely little stylishly done loops. Lovely fold up sleeves that make a fabulous combination with a pair of jeans. And lovely frilly finish in the bottom. Beautiful frills all around. Lovely boat neck in front with beautiful frills in the bottom. This week we have more solid style, this time in kurtas and crop tops. So we'll take you through this lovely range of solid style kurtas and crop tops. I'll take you through them one by one. The philosophy behind this range is that we've chosen plain colors, some fabulous fabrics, we've chosen Oxfords, we've chosen self stripes, and we've chosen slub cottons, lovely fabric, hot solid colors that you can pair with any of your other coordinates that you wear in the bottom, right? Let's start. First up, let's look at this very nice, lovely kurta. Nice, beautiful purple, very deep violet or purple, nice beautiful fabric. It's lovely fabric. It's made in slub cotton. It's fabulous and finished very well. You can see the pin tucks here. The styling is very good, finished very nicely with wooden buttons. It's a very stylish outfit. Next one is this lovely beautiful olive green and mud yellow fabulous kurta. Again, it's got very styled very nicely with a beautiful drawstring kind of band in the around the neck and lovely tapering effect here. Beautiful single pin tuck here in the center and very nicely finished with piping, very nicely stylishly done. This is a solid block navy with beautiful piping in black, self piping in black, very stark, very stylish, and this is something which you can pair with beautifully with lovely jewelry which will set off nicely against the dark navy background. Next, you'll have a look at this very nice bright canary yellow with a tinge of green. Again, it's got lovely pin touch on the right hand side, beautiful wooden buttons, circular sleeves, and fabulously finished nice slub cotton material, finished very well, very comfortable, very stylish. One more. This one is a lovely, beautiful rose pink, fabulous Oxford fabric, fantastic Oxford fabric, lovely pin tucks and wooden buttons, and finished very nicely and very stylishly. I'll show you one more. Beautiful, lovely dusky pink, fabulous finish, lovely finish, beautiful, fabulous slub cotton with beautifully finished string, lovely string fastener on top with the piping, self piping in pink. It's very stylishly done. So we have some more colors as well, but I'll take you through the crop tops that we have, which are also equally stylish, very nicely done, fabulous crop tops, finished very stylishly. This is sleeveless, fabulously finished slub cotton, beautiful finish, piping in a very nicely coordinated color and very nicely cut and very nicely done. This can be fabulous accessory for any of your jeans or skirts that you wear at the bottom. Lovely teal blue and piping in navy, fabulously finished, very stylishly cut neckline, and you can see there's a small little decorative wooden button finishing on the left hand side, very nicely done. Nice mustard yellow, fabulously finished again with lovely buttons, bundi buttons on the left hand side, stylishly tailored. On the right hand side, there's a nice flap with beautiful dots, polka dots, black polka dots on a red flap with lovely little beautiful, nicely tailored, stylishly done loops for using the fastening, but it's mostly this is for more for styling purpose. Nicely styled with loops with the bundi buttons on the left hand side. And the contrast between the mustard yellow and the red is very nice. One more of the same thing, this time the red contrast with a fabulous fluorescent green and with the piping in red. Again, it's very stylishly executed. This one is a different style. Lovely V-neck, very stylishly cut, beautiful fold-up sleeves. If you notice, lovely fold-up sleeves that make a fabulous combination with a pair of jeans. Fabulously done. Fabric is lovely, beautiful slub cotton. This one is slightly different. Slub cotton again, V-neck, but it's got a beautifully styled. This is just for styling. It doesn't open in front, but it's beautifully styled buttons on top and lovely frilly finish in the bottom. Beautiful frills all around. This will look beautiful along with the skirt in the bottom. Lovely. And the sleeves again finished nicely with a beautiful, lovely tape on both sides. Nicely finished sleeves. Now I'll show you a slightly different style. Beautifully geometric coordination here. Show you another lovely style. Beautiful geometric finish. Look at the way the center opening has been executed. Beautiful rectangles on both sides. Small rectangles, large rectangles. Very stylishly designed. And both the sleeves have beautiful diagonal lines in black. So against the gray background and it's got a lovely collar neck on top. It's very, very stylish. We have more. We have crop tops, we have navies, we have yellows, we have many more. Let me see if there's any other style which I haven't showed you. Yes, this is a different style. Beautiful v-neck with a large button, with beautiful fold-up looking sleeves on both sides. Fabulous, beautiful mustard yellow. This one is different. Very nice. Lovely boat neck in front with beautiful frills in the bottom, sleeveless, and behind there's a lovely teardrop opening, and its color is a lovely, fabulous leaf green. Very fresh looking leaf green. Very, very stylish. Yes, the same style. There's one more. This lovely mud brown color, similar style, but this one doesn't have the teardrop opening in the back. This doesn't have an opening in the back, but the styling in front is the same v-neck with a lovely large button with the fold-up sleeves. Yes, that's about it. These are the styles that we have. We have multiple colors in these designs. So this is part of the solid style series, solid style collection that we've launched. Last week, I was showing you the solid style blouse collection. This time we've seen the kurtas and the crop tops. It's a fabulous collection. There is a huge need for people to really accessorize their bottom, their jeans or their skirts or their, whatever bottoms they're wearing with different kinds of tops. And sometimes it becomes complicated when there is too much of design on top. The solid style range is meant to help those people who want to quickly decide and pick up and either match or contrast their bottoms with their top. So this is a solid style collection. There's some good news for you. There's a fabulous offer which we've launched just now, the Super Santa offer. So this month, the whole month throughout, right up to Christmas and up to the December 31st, if you buy 3, you get 1 free. Any product on the website, of course, it applies to the solid style collection as well. But apart from this, any other collection, of course, we have more kurtas in Jahota prints. We have vegetable dyed, fabulous Vanaspati printed kurtas, Vanaspati printed crop tops, blouses, all of that across the entire range. Not only that, including our saris, including our silk saris, cotton saris, across site-wide, we have a buy 3, get 1 free offer. For those of you who don't want to buy 3 or 4 at a time, all you have to do is buy a second one. If you buy 2, you get a flat 10% off on your purchase. This is applicable again across the entire product line at Avishya. I really wish you a fabulous festive season, and please make use of this Super Santa offer and go ahead and make your purchases. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. That's the only way you will get notified every time we have a special new collection being launched or any special offer being launched. This time, of course, it was a Super Santa offer, so please don't miss it. And of course, it's a fabulous offer. I am sure you're excited and you want to share this with your friends, your neighbors, and your office colleagues. Please do that. All you have to do is forward this video to all your entire circle through WhatsApp or any other medium that you use. Please share and spread this video wide so that everybody gets information about this fabulous offer that we have. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.